Hello and welcome to Excel Essentials. In this session, we'll be covering the average formula. The average formula is used to find an average of some numbers you can put directly into it, or a range of numbers or cells that you have selected in your spreadsheet. So let's say we've got a table here full of items we sold and the cost per item. And let's say we've been tasked with finding the average number of products sold per item. And let's go in type equals followed by average. And then here we would select our range in the quantity, which is the number of products we have sold. Now we're going to hit enter, and as we can see here, we sold 16.2 products on average per item. As you know, there are some which sold less, such as scarves, and some which sold more, like ties. And let's say we're also needing to find the average cost of each product. So we'll do equals average, and then we'd do the same with the cost column. Obviously, wetsuits, tank top, and cufflinks can skew the data, but the average cost of each product is around $53. Now, I did say you could also put direct numbers into your average, such as say 5, 9. Those are two numbers as well. And once you hit enter, you see we have our average of 7. Stay tuned for more Excel Essentials.